the Indian government to further reinforce and modernize India's IP system, stepped up significantly post-IPR Policy 2016 announcement. There are several areas where WIPO-FICCI collaboration could contribute productively. A few specific joint activities could include an annual international conference on intellectual property to be organized in India on topical global issues. Such a conference was jointly organized by WIPO, Government of India, and FICCI for several years. It should be reinstated. Capacity building programs for enforcement agencies, including police, customs, and the judiciary in major Indian cities. This is significant need as despite comprehensive IP laws, its enforcement is a concern. Awareness generation seminars on intellectual property in state capitals across India. Making FICCI an IP hub for business and industry in India to serve as a center for IP education and skill development, research knowledge repository and IP services. A proposal for establishment of FICCI IP hub was submitted earlier to WIPO. For benefiting from IP assets, it is important to exploit them commercially. Indian industry could benefit by following the best practices in other countries recommended by WIPO. Establishing an IP exchange with WIPO guidance and collaboration would be a major step forward. In conclusion, Mr. Chair, I wish to reiterate FICCI's commitment to the success of WIPO and its valuable work. FICCI would welcome every opportunity to be engaged in WIPO's future conversation and initiatives to ensure that intellectual property is globally respected and forms part of every country's policy-making process. Thank you.
I thank the representative of FICCI for his statement. I now give the floor to Japan Intellectual Property Association, JIPA.